Want to create eye-catching designs fast? Let me show you how to use ChatGPT and CapCut together to make it happen. No design skills needed. Step 1. Ask ChatGPT for design ideas. For example, I typed, "Give me a modern Instagram post idea for a fitness brand." In seconds, ChatGPT gives you layout ideas, text to use, colors, and even font styles. Show result and copy the content. You can even ask for a color palette, slogan, or a full caption. On screen, use ChatGPT to generate a color palette or font combo. Voiceover. Need visuals? Just ask ChatGPT something like, "Suggest a color palette for an energetic, clean design." Or, "What font pairs well with Montserrat?" Show results. Screenshot or copy for CapCut, screen recording. Opening CapCut and creating a new project. Voiceover, on-screen text. Step 3. Open CapCut and create your design using the elements from ChatGPT. Add text. From ChatGPT suggestion. Pick colors. From the palette ChatGPT gave you. Choose font styles. Add animations or transitions if needed. Show quick editing process in CapCut. Add some finishing touches. Stickers, logo, music if needed. Voiceover. Add some style, icons, music, animations, whatever fits your brand. Then hit export. Outro 3:45 4 o'clock. Final video preview with text. Design made easy with i+ CapCut. Voiceover. That's it. ChatGPT plus CapCut equals your new creative power combo. Subscribe and like for more fast tutorials.